In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow WhatsApp to access contacts on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up settings. After that, scroll all the way down until you find WhatsApp. Here it is, and you will be taken to this page where you should turn on that switcher next to contacts. If it's toggled off, just tap on it to turn it on, and that will allow WhatsApp to get access to your contacts. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.